sensors and the engine components quality. Step inside our state-of-the-art facility, purpose-built for oxygen. Every square meter is optimized for efficiency, consistency, and our fully automated production. Lines handle everything from raw materials to precision assembly with unmatched accuracy. With a monthly capacity exceeding 200,000 units, we scale seamlessly to meet your needs. Every oxygen sensor undergoes multi-stage testing and inspection. Our advanced quality management system ensures zero compromise, because your engine deserves nothing less than perfection. Innovation drives everything we do. Solutions that meet OEM standards, from throttle bodies to sensors and motors. Our R&D team develops one partner, one solution, complete engine component support. Contact hours a day and less. Build something great together. Loreada engineered for excellence.